Hi my friends, today I will show you how to resolve hidden folder problems. Usually this problem starts after deleting virus from flash drive. Here, this is my flash drive. After deleting virus, the files are disappeared from drive and I don't see, I can't see any files in my flash drive. How we can resolve this problem? First go click options and click file. Here click hide protect operation system files. Click yes, I believe. Okay. As you can see here, we see the test file folder that was disappeared from flash drive. This folder now is hidden and in system folder and written. We need to prepare this folder. How we can do it? Please start button, then please click run, then type cmd and click OK. Here we need to open the flash drive H. Here H. Now we will use command attrib minus h minus r minus s. It means hidden, reading and system. After this command, their folder will be fixed. We need to type here folder's name test. Their folder's name is test. Now try again, enter, and as you can see the test folder is we can see the test folder. We fix the problem with folder. Now this folder is not hidden and we can see this folder. But I recommend that hide the recycle bin folder. It is system folder. You don't need to see this folder. Click options, click file, click hide protected operation system files. Click apply, click OK. So that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next lessons.